Yeah, she's a chilly start to the morning, bit of a frost. Not exactly sure what we've got planned today. At this stage we're meeting up at Buninyong for a coffee. Petro's coming from Insta360 ADV on his new BMW GS. Barry's coming on his brand new CFMOTO 450 MT. It'll be great to see those blokes. Andy's possibly coming. He'll be either on his Himalayan or his Husky TR650. Right now I'm just going out for a little ride in the bush on my own. We're not meeting till 10:30. It is now 10 to 9, so I've got a bit of time. Far out, the roof's all down there. I think what I'm looking for is just up here. Yep, that's the spot. Beautiful, look at that. So they've got the hospital straight in front there. Over there's Wendouree. It's a nice look out. It's overlooking Ballarat. It's a bit rocky. I think I'll just stick to this side, should be fine. Bit of a rock step there, maybe I'll get in that middle bit if I can. I don't know. Let's go straight up it. Past 9, I better get a move on if I'm going to meet up with the others. I'm about an hour away, we're meeting at 10:30. Anyway, we're going through this way though. So just at Buninyong, I'm a bit early, so I just stopped to check out some artwork. Love the magpies, cool. Some ravens, more magpies, and some clowns. Very good. Righto, I'm going to attempt to ride this BMW GS 1200. It is a 2018 model, belongs to Petro from Insta360 ADV. Let's have a quick look at all these bikes. This is Barry's brand new CFMOTO MT. So there's nothing to worry about, just ride it like a normal bike. Rightio. Righto. Oh, nice. It looks massive, but it feels light. Standing up. Oops. Get around. Oh, kick the motor. Yeah, nice. Very nice. Well, it's quite nimble. Such a big bike. Okay, let me see, where's the ignition there? Cool, we're on. Now apparently, hold this. We're on off-road mode. A nice dash. All that clutch is light. Sounds really nice for a 450 and a standard exhaust. See what it's like standing up. Not bad. The bars could be a tad higher for me. I'm 6'1". I could do with a slightly higher seat too, I would think. Righto, very nice bike, very impressed with it. Yeah, so we met up this morning in Bunningong, had a coffee and a chat. Good to catch up with Petro from Insta360. I had a little ride on his BMW GS 1200, a very nice bike. Probably not for me. Very, very large bike, perfect for what he does. He likes doing big long trips. I tend to do more shorter day trips or overnight camping trips. So Andy's leading the way, he's a local here, he knows his way around. Got Chris on the DR650 and Barry from Baz66 on his brand new CFMOTO 450 MT. And then I just got off it, I had a ride on it, it's a very nice bike. Goes quite well, nice and smooth for a 450. They are a twin cylinder. Now, yeah, most 450s are single cylinders and they're called thumpers for a reason. So that bike's nice and smooth. The seat height's just a little low for me. My legs were bent up a bit too much. I'd need the taller seat, but Barry was saying it's only about $200 you can get a taller seat. So he's saying the accessories are quite cheap for the bike, which is a nice change. Yeah, a really nice note to it for a standard exhaust. Not loud, but yeah, you can hear it. Surprisingly dry. I was out at Crestwick this morning and it was pretty wet there, quite muddy. It was very early in the morning and we had a frost overnight. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oops. If I could catch him, I'd get up beside him and show you the bike better, but I cannot catch him. Oh, mate. This is why you have someone out front who knows their way around. Oh. Boom in the rut. Sticking with it. Something I noticed with this headlight, I'm liking the look much more when I'm sitting on the bike. I'm not looking at that headlight, just sitting still where the handlebars are moving. Really off-putting. And doing 100k an hour, it's much quieter than it used to be. Surprisingly, that little screen deflects the wind off me. Normally doing 100, I can't hear music in my headset, and today I could hear it quite clearly. I don't think that bike's lacking in power, it gets along alright. Should we take the hill that Andy took? Yeah, I reckon so. We'll get on here. Oop. Nice. Yeah, no worries. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time. Yeah, it was a good day out. We did some good tracks through Lal Lal, and now I've got some nice fun twisties. But unfortunately I'm looking straight into the sun. Really liking that new headlight, very happy with it.